This is the brand new chat agent from Vectorize, and today I'm going to share the top 5 reasons why this product is a must-have for anyone building production-grade AI solutions, starting with number 1, Agentic retrieval. Data is the number 1 factor that determines the accuracy of your AI agents. Approaches like vector or keyword search will do a pretty good job with simple queries. If you're searching a set of customer conversations and you want to find places where customers had questions about pricing, these tools will do a pretty good job. But try asking for conversations with Acme Corporation that happened in the last 2 months, which involve billing questions, and you're likely to be pretty disappointed by the results. This is where Vectorize is different. When you process your unstructured data with Vectorize, you not only get a great solution for basic search, you'll also get a solution purpose-built to allow AI agents to get exactly the data they need. Here is a simple example of this capability in action. We built this pipeline to ingest the latest posts from the Vectorize blog using our web crawler. And we knew our agent might need to look up posts from a specific author or the latest post. We told the data pipeline to pull these fields out and make them searchable. And now any blog post that the web crawler finds will be searchable by date, author, and title. When you create your chat agent in Vectorize, you can craft the exact data retrieval functions it needs to perform the task that you're building it to solve. And when someone asks our chat agent, what's the latest news from Vectorize, the response isn't going to be based on some generic set of search results for latest news. It's based on this agentic retrieval to find the latest blog post from the last month or two. This is important because one of the hardest problems AI engineers face when building AI agents is dealing with lots and lots of data that all looks kind of the same. Things like legal contracts that have the same warranty and jurisdiction and termination clauses. Wouldn't it be nice to be able to say, what warranty did company X give us in our master service agreement? And know the agent is going to get the right context. And this is a problem you're going to see everywhere. In insurance with claims and policy data, in finance with SEC filings and investment reports, and lots of other places as well. Which brings us to reason number 2 why this chat agent is a game changer: AI safety and security. If we're building an AI agent, we want to make sure people don't abuse it. You don't want a misbehaving user putting in a jailbreaking prompt and getting your AI to agree to discounts or refunds that they aren't entitled to. You also don't want your AI going viral on social media because someone tricked it into taking a controversial position on some hot button topic your company wants to stay away from. That's why the new chat agent from Vectorize has AI safety built in. You can enable abuse and threat protection with just a simple toggle. If a user tries to jailbreak your AI, the protection mechanism will trigger, and it'll either warn the user or terminate the conversation depending on your configuration and the severity of their behavior. You can choose to log the incident, which allows chat admins to observe any triggers along with information about the user and or their IP address. You can also take immediate action and block access until an admin decides otherwise to re-enable it. You can also enable this AI disclosure, which gives users a warning up front that their conversations are being sent to an AI model and they may be reviewed by a human. Depending on who those users are, we also need to make sure that our AI can speak their language, which brings us to reason number 3. Full multilingual and internationalization support. Chances are your employees and your customers come from different backgrounds and may speak different languages. With the new Vectorize chat agent, you can automatically translate both the interface to support your users as well as the content coming back from your AI model. Even if the underlying data is written in, say, English, the responses to a Spanish-speaking customer will be in Spanish. This is, of course, important if you have a worldwide brand, which also brings us to reason number 4, built-in branding and customization. There are a lot of ways you can customize your chat agent interface. These include functional capabilities like whether to support file attachments and what suggested questions to include in your interface. It also allows you to support accessibility requirements like using voice-to-text models to support a voice interface. But for any professional or enterprise use cases, you're also going to want your chat agent to look and feel like it's a part of your company. That's why you can customize the logo and the content of the site to match your brand's voice. You can also plug in your existing user management solution with single sign-on. And if your agent requires authentication, your users will be presented with a branded experience backed by your standard solution for user authentication. And of course, once those users start using your chat agent, you want to make sure that they have the best possible experience, which leads us to reason number 5, built-in feedback mechanisms. No matter how carefully you prepare, your users are going to think of questions that your AI isn't prepared to answer, And when that happens, it's useful to have a way to track user feedback so you can improve over time. When you enable user feedback, a user can use the thumbs up, thumbs down buttons to provide feedback on the quality of the AI's response. These get logged in the admin interface, and you can configure webhooks to send that feedback to external systems. For example, your AI product managers may want to notify a Slack channel when a user indicates they received a poor answer. And if you stuck around this long, I have one more bonus reason for you. I know I said 5, I'm actually going to give you 6, and that's this. With Vectorize, the agent tools we build to power our chat application are automatically included in the catalog of agent tools. And these can be reused by other agents like our embeddable chat widget. Or say you want to take these tools, plug them into an MCP server, use that with Claude Desktop. You'll see that's actually what we're going to be talking more about in day 2 of our Vectorize launch week, and you can find the video for that one right up here.